In this guide, you'll learn how to use NX Miles, the loyalty and rewards program on FXNX. Let's get started. Tap the FXNX tab at the bottom, then find and tap NX Miles. At the top, you'll see your total miles balance and current tier, with a progress bar showing how far you are from the next level. Scroll down to see all the ways to earn miles: trading, deposits, daily activity, promotions, and milestones. The trading journey section shows all 5 tiers, from starter at $9 per lot all the way down to elite at just $1 per lot. Earn bonus miles by completing achievement milestones like 10 active trading days or 100 lots traded. At the bottom, Miles History shows a complete log of all your earned miles and transactions. And that's it. You've completed all the steps. If you need any help, reach out via live chat on portal.fxnx.com. Happy trading!